Hi viewers, got a quick silver and gold unboxing for you, so let's get straight into this. We have some supplies there, and this should have the silver and gold. Yes. We have an American Silver Eagle, which is a 2012, an MS69, and I can see why it's an MS69 when you look closely. There's a couple of imperfections as well as my reflection. Anyway, that wasn't what the video was about. The gold is what you want to see, isn't it? Let's see if we can't get into this without injuring myself. And all will be revealed as to what it is. It is the half-ounce gold Britannia. Let's have a closer look at that, which I'm sure you all want to see. It's annoying how the light makes it look silver, isn't it? It is very sunny. Anyway, there you go, the 2021. Why the hell does that look silver? How annoying. With the security mark there. See if we can get in close. Maybe it won't look silver when I upload it, I don't know, but it looks very silvery on my screen here. Anyway, the half-ounce gold Britannia. Now, in hindsight, I probably am wishing that I'd have bought the 1 ounce gold Britannia instead of this 1 ounce Buffalo, because, you know, comparing the two, the Britannia is a way better strike than the Buffalo, although I do love the design of the Buffalo. Obviously that's why I bought it. But yeah, when you look at that closely, far superior strike, and it was actually a lower premium as well. But anyway, hindsight is a wonderful thing. Anyway, the capsules, I think, are for some of my 1/4 ounce coins. Very well packaged, I must say. And at least I think they're for 1/4 ounce, so I'm not sure now. No, maybe not. Can't remember what they're for now. Unless they're for sovereigns. Maybe they were for sovereigns. I can't remember what I ordered them for, but I'll find out later, no doubt. Got a lot of them. Anyway, I'll leave you with the gold Britannia, and thank you all for watching, and catch up with you on the next one. Bye.